Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the medkit. Now finish setup quickly. Equip it to a quick slot so you can reach it under pressure. Once equipped, open your inventory briefly to confirm counts and free space, and make sure you have backup bandages or first aid. While you check, note how many medkits you carry versus teammates. This saves time when fights start. If you're low on cover options, plan an immediate retreat route to use the medkit safely and with minimal exposure. You should prioritize cover and timing. Once behind cover, activate the medkit and angle your camera toward a low-risk opening so you can watch for flankers. Make sure teammates provide a smoke or suppressive fire if enemies are nearby. That reduces peak pressure. While healing, avoid unnecessary movement that draws fire. Instead, use short, predictable peaks to scan. If you're on the edge of the play zone, move one step into safety. Once the medkit finishes, swap back to a weapon or a movement item so you're not vulnerable. If the heal gets interrupted, don't panic. Retreat to sturdier cover or ask a teammate to cover you, then reapply. Make sure you keep at least one medkit in reserve instead of using all at once. Practice activating and canceling in non-competitive matches so you develop muscle memory. That reduces fumbling and keeps you ready to capitalize on enemy mistakes after healing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.